how to waste less time while skyrocketing your productivity. I would suggest that a way to waste less of your time, which is something that I do, is I try to actually eliminate anything that I have to do in the day that doesn't benefit me in any way. For example, scrolling on Instagram, playing a video game, watching entertainment videos on YouTube, even like take podcasts that don't really have to do anything with your goal. I would suggest don't watch them and don't waste your time on them. It's way better to actually sit down and have everything off and think about how can I improve my channel, like solve some dilemmas that you have about your business, rather than actually watching like an Andrew Huberman podcast about sleep, if you're not really going to be using that right now or something like that. And just try to also one more thing I would suggest is try to stop cooking. Like once you start making money, and if you're doing like a part-time job or something like that, I would suggest take some of that money and use it to deliver food to your place every once in a while, like to save a bit of time. Because if you start cooking every day and your mom cooks or something like that, I mean, that's if you live with your parents' house, in your parents' house, and your mom cooks for you, that's a very nice way to actually go about it, because you don't have to spend money at all and you don't have to cook, so everything is done for you. Of course, you shouldn't take advantage of that, but the point is that if you actually spend some money on deliveries and you'll waste way less time, like if you spend money to buy time, and if you leverage money with time and you find ways to actually spend money and save a lot of time, you can easily surpass your competition and actually progress so much faster, because you can have so much more time to do stuff that you want to do. In the last video before this, I talked about quitting college or doing something like that. I believe if you really want to quit college and you have it as a priority, like you have some college as a part of your day that you have to spend so much time on, I believe getting rid of that will free up so much more of your time that you don't have to spend on commuting there and studying, like doing whatever the fuck you're doing if you're not even paying attention, and coming back and then doing some work, but then you're tired, you have to go to the gym. Like I would suggest college is a waste of time if you are sure and you know that you don't want to pursue whatever you're doing and you have results in entrepreneurship. But the point is that if you try to actually stop cooking, if you try to stop waste way less time on social media and other stuff, you can easily skyrocket your productivity. And also another tip I would suggest is try to have your phone on don't disturb and all of that stuff. Get rid of the distractions, like be in a room where it's very like quiet, nobody's here to pressure you, do anything to you and talk to you, and the only thing you're doing is setting up a timer or something, and you're just focused on the thing, and you're doing that thing until you're finished or until you have a small break, and then you keep doing the same thing until you finish the day's worth of work. Thank you for watching. I also do one-on-one coaching calls if you want to drop your social media scrolling time and actually stop mindlessly scrolling. The link is in the description if you're interested. Stop wasting time.